Hello there, welcome to our channel. The Galaxy Tab S7 Lite is likely to launch in a couple of months, probably in June. However, renders have started appearing online, showing us its design and few of its key features. We also have some specifications thanks to the appearance on Geekbench and some prior leaks. Courtesy of Evan Blass, we have the first clear and high-resolution image of the Galaxy Tab S7 Lite 5G. The device looks a lot like its sibling Galaxy Tab S7, and why not? Ultimately, they are from the same series of tablets. The image shows the tablet having a magnetic attachment on the aluminum back panel for holding the S Pen. Yes, the stylus will be shipped with the device, and it should attach magnetically on the rear, which might charge wirelessly. There's a dual camera setup, two stereo speakers tuned by AKG on either side of the tablet, the power and volume buttons on the right side, a Type-C port on the bottom, and what appears to be a 12.4-inch LCD display. As far as the hardware specs of the device goes, it is supposed to pack Snapdragon 750G chipset with 4 and 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. This information comes from Geekbench, which shows the device has managed to pull off 650 and 1694 scores in single-core and multi-core benchmarks. Other expected features include GPS, Wi-Fi 5, and a 7000 mAh or bigger battery with 15W fast charging. On the software front, this upcoming tablet is expected to run Android 11 out of the box, most probably with One UI 3.1. And we can expect the tablet to get at least 2 major Android OS updates, given that Tab S series devices will get 3 generations of Android OS upgrades. This upcoming tablet is rumored to launch in 4 color options that includes black, green, pink and silver. Yes, one more thing, the S7 Lite might be available in 4G, Wi-Fi and 5G depending on the region. So that's it for today, catch you in the next one. Peace out.